Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to frame up just a standard wall. Now this wall is the back wall of a shed that we're going to be building, and the shed's a non-consent shed which is part of our program. Now the wall is 2.1 high by 2 meters 230 long. Our nog is 1200 millimeters from the bottom of the bottom plate to the center of that nog is 1200. Now, if this was a standard house wall construction, the height of our wall would be 2.4, and whatever length is required. And there would be 2 rows of nogs, one at 800 center and one at 1600 center. Right, so the nogs, the purpose of a nog is to keep these studs, these framing members, nice and straight. So when you come to line your exterior lining or your interior lining, your fixing is just straight up and down. Notice down here there's X marks. Those X marks represent a full length stud. So when we mark out our top and bottom plate, we mark out our full length studs with an X. Now the timber we're going to be using to construct this wall is H1.2, which is this pink stuff here. Now H1.2 is treated against insect attack. It's not treated to take moisture, and it's definitely not treated to be used outside. Now, if we're going to frame a wall and we want it to be protected against moisture, we would use the green H3, which is treated specifically for that. So these are 6 meter lengths. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a 6 meter length, find one of the straightest ones in there, and you should always use a straight length of timber for your top and bottom plate. I'm going to cut it in half, going to nail it together, and I'm going to start marking out my wall.